to Atlantic sea currents and the migratory patterns of marine mammals, there's a good chance. Well, in a few hours, a certain dolphin will be off New York's coast.
Oh, you mad genius, Kowalski. Let the smackdown begin. For far too long, Dr.
The following message is broadcast at the request of the United States government. At 9:45 Eastern Time, several unidentified lights were seen moving at irregular speeds in Las Cruces, New Mexico. These lights have now been spotted in other cities around the United States. These lights are not atmospheric phenomenon and are likely aircraft. The lights seen are purple, a color normal aircraft do not use. Residents are strongly advised to stay indoors and stay tuned for more updates.
I crushed the alien. Well, I crush the director. I crush the tiki. I crush a Danimal's Crush Cup. Huh? Yeah.
The following message is broadcast at the request of the Las Cruces Police Department. Several strange lights have been seen moving at irregular speeds throughout the night sky. These lights are seen as the color purple, in which normal aircraft do not use. These lights may be the use of drones in the area. Residents are advised to remain indoors until law enforcement has given the all clear.
To one of those local radio or TV stations for more on what you need to do to